Hello everyone.
Good morning. We are just waiting on our taxi to go to the airport. We have everything with us from...
Well, not everything.
Well, nearly 90% of the stuff that we've brought with us, we have with us that we're bringing to the farm. So yeah, we're just waiting for our taxi now. The weather's lovely.
So come with us to the farm.
Oh, we're going to the airport.
Oh yeah. The airport first.
Yeah, the airport first, yeah.
Oh, have fun, adventure.
Yeah. Me and Chana were just laughing because we like the way that we're coming now to go to our gate is the way when we got to Sydney for the first time, we walked the same way. Like the airport is, you walk both ways. You can come in off a plane, you can go on a plane because it's just Australian flights. So we're just laughing because we're saying Chana was saying this is the walk when we got to Australia. So we're just reminiscing for a few minutes on this little pathway here. Yeah, I know. Look at this. We made it to the plane, everyone.
Hello again. We want you to have a safe and enjoy.
Let me see. Nice.
It's cold.
Well done.
I didn't want to anyways.
Dumbass. So as you go, look at this airport. As you just seen, Shanna spilled ice all over herself, but she's all cleaned up now. Show them what you got. Orange juice, banana bread, and salami. I just got this and the Coke because I'm not hungry and stuffed. But we had a voucher, so it was free anyway, so just said I'd get drinks.
in.
Woo!
Go on, Captain. Woo!
Woo!
The use of e-cigarettes or vaping is strictly prohibited as you disadvantage.
So what I just noticed was them things,
Yeah.
what they're called, have different fish thingies on them. And Graham didn't even notice it, and he notices everything.
Yes.
It looks so red. Yeah.
Good job. So we made it to Cairns.
And it's so cold.
No, it's gross.
It's so
it's like
cold.
25, but feels like it's 35. It's so humid. But yeah, it seems absolutely gorgeous here.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
it's like jungle vibes or something. So
So
we're just
first we have to go to a shopping centre to get the bus.
Yeah, we have to get an Uber, which we ordered. So this is it here. No, not that one. The blue one at the back there. Yeah, we have to go to the shopping centre. We have to wait for like an hour and a half, and then we have to get a bus for 2 hours to where we're staying, out in the middle of nowhere. Here's our Uber here. So cool. No.
Batman.
So we're just waiting for our bus now. It's in like half an hour. So we just grabbed a little. I got a McChicken burger
Hash brown.
and a hash brown, and it's a free cheeseburger.
Oh yeah, for
Yeah, when you spend $1, you get a free cheeseburger. So I got it.
Actually, it's cheaper.
Oh yeah, it actually is, yeah. And iced coffee as well. So we're just waiting on our bus now, and we've seen so many hippies around. Like you can just tell this is where like all the, what would you call them? Like like that. Isn't that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we've seen a few dodgy people as well. Dodgy
Well, they're probably
people.
not though. It's just the way they look.
Yeah, but
They're probably not.
yeah, we're just waiting on this bus now. I think it's in like 15 minutes or so. Alright, so we just found out that the bus is broken down. We've been standing here for 50 minutes, 40 minutes, sweating in this car park underground, like literally. Yeah, you can see my head. Yeah, we just found out that the bus is broke down. Yeah, it's probably just from over there. It's not that. Yeah, it's broke down and it won't be here for another hour. So we're gonna be waiting here like 2 hours, and then we have a 2 hour drive to the hostel. Not what we needed. What'd you say there, Shanna?
It's alright.
But it's okay, we're positive.
Yeah, having
positive.
each other,
Yeah. But yeah, it is fine. I'm gonna go into the arcade now and play some games. Because there's an arcade literally right there, so let's go have some fun, okay?
This one, guys, everyone. Graham always breaks this one.
What was it?
Graham always breaks it.
Breaks the record,
Or
not
breaks
breaks
the
this one.
Yeah. breaks
500. Okay, so I think I lost my touch on this game. It's too warm, that's what it is. It's the temperature, that's why, okay? Every time I play that I beat the record, but I think it was Shana.
Oh my god, you're doing so bad. Basketball. Okay.
Somehow Shanna won.
No, I was actually good.
I think it's tiredness.
No,
I'm usually
no,
so good at that. I miss like every shot. Joke.
Oh, you can show that.
Yeah, boom.
I didn't play that.
There we go. I got 82 now.
Yeah, but we didn't
I'm
play
back.
against each other.
I'm back.
We
I'm
didn't
back.
play against each other. I think that one was rigged though.
Told you I always beat him.
Done it!
Yes, finally.
Yeah.
I need to get you 500.
Yeah, 500 tickets.
Oh, good.
So we're back at the bus stop. The bus still obviously hasn't came. But I think it's only been a few minutes, hasn't it?
It's a half an hour.
Oh,
5
half an hour. So hopefully it'll come.
It better come.
Yeah, it's that time. So we'll see.
I'll show you what we won.
Yeah. Do you want to see what Graham won me?
Yeah.
I already said that.
Okay, so we just got these to try. They're sour. Little
Yeah,
sweets.
of course Graham got them. Little kid. Little kid. No, you actually got them.
Yeah, then we got one of these each. There you go.
Yeah.
Then we got these because
Graham picked them.
I'm so in love, that's why.
They were so in love.
Yeah. So there you go. You're welcome. Then we got, there you go, these bands that we're gonna wear, that we're gonna keep on when we're farming. Yeah?
Yeah.
They're not gonna fit on my hand.
No, you do these.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, well we're gonna wear these anyway. See how long they last. Then I
Yeah.
got pink and black. And then I got blue and black.
Why are they matching meant to be forks? How are you meant to fit these on your hand?
Don't know. Then we
See.
got, oh good job, put mine on for me.
It's gonna hurt though.
We got these M&M's as well. Pack of these Skittles. And then I got Shanna these, let her get these squishy things.
Yeah, one each. That's why I got
Oh,
these.
right.
They're squishy.
Not bad though, is it? It's decent like stuff, like at least
Oh,
these
there's
aren't
three
like
of them.
tiny. And it's for the bus, so yeah, that's what we got from the arcade. See, that's where I wanted to go as well.
Yeah.
Break up the time and we can have some fun and get some stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, now we're just waiting on the bus.
So we are on the bus. Yay.
Tell them what happened there now. Tell them about it.
Well, I was recording and I wasn't
Yeah, we're
recording.
talking to the phone. I wasn't even recording.
That's why
Yeah.
Graham's in charge of this.
Finally, an hour and a half later, we're finally on the bus. 2 hours drive, so we'll update you as we get along.
Sorry, this is a replacement coach and I have one further impost on you, I'm afraid. I've got to go and pick up some fuel. Okay, so will you be able, it'll take me about 5 minutes. I'll just throw in 100 litres and that'll get us safely home. Okay? I do.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Hello everyone, this is my new girlfriend.
No, it's safe.
Yeah, the bus just smells like piss and we're right beside the toilet, so it's gonna be a long journey. Cheers. Okay, we're finally off the bus.
Smelly bus.
Yeah, just stank like pee the whole way. It was horrible, it was making my stomach sick. But yeah, we finally made it. It was like over 2 hours or something, but I think we're just outside the hostel right now, so let's go get checked in. You ready? Are you scared? No? It's literally there. On the top part, that's like the sitting area, I think, so yeah, let's go. Left. And then let it click. Yeah, there. And now push. Push it, yeah. Oh. See what's over here?
So we're at the hostel. Look at my hair. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's actually alright. We'll get a video of everything, like just people in the kitchen and all, so we don't like being recording, like, but I'll wait till everyone's gone. But yeah, the
grand.
room's just, well, you've seen it, it's just bog standard, it's just a bed in a room.
Not as bad as Shana with like
Yeah,
40 people.
don't, we don't care what it looks like once we have our own bed. And like, it's clean, like there's nothing
Oh, it's
freshly
great.
painted and all. It's getting done up at the moment, the hostel, so yeah, it actually looks fun. Yeah, alright with it.
Yeah.
Better than bunk beds
Yeah.
with randomers, so at least you know all our stuff will be safe and we don't have to worry about anything. We have a window as well that looks out, so okay. It's only 3 months hopefully if we get consistent work, so we'll just lash it out and we'll be alright.
Yeah. So we went to McDonald's.
I'm supposed to tell them that.
Oh yeah, we don't eat McDonald's.
Obviously, we walk past
Okay,
McDonald's.
our budget diet starting tomorrow.
Yep.
Maybe.
What do you mean? We got free stuff on McDonald's.
I know.
Because McDonald's
is the best.
Yeah, are doing like Monopoly and you get loads of free stuff. So you got free coffee, free burger, free apple pie.
Yeah.
Instead of spending money.
But we spent the last probably hour doing
I'd say longer.
our room to like
Well, yeah, and kind of unpacking a little bit as well.
to make it more homely.
Yeah, so we're going to show you what our room looks like now. We think it looks amazing.
Yeah.
And it feels like we're just back in
Mary's
house.
So these are our towels. The hostel has given us these towels,
Yeah.
and then we brought these from home, which
Yeah.
is Sydney now.
So pink, Shanna, blue me.
Our jackets for when it's gonna rain.
Yeah.
All the time, 'cause we're here.
I'll show them this first. That's just...
This is our charging port.
We haven't unpacked all of our clothes because we have nowhere to put them yet.
We don't have a wardrobe
Yeah.
because it's a hostel, so
Yeah, like it's just walls. So we're gonna try buy a cheap thing.
this is our bed, and we bought this. This we bought in IKEA, if you remember.
Yeah, that's ours.
Yeah, just to make it feel more cozy.
Yeah.
My travel buddies.
And then just my stuff over here. My runners are over there. And then this is the main part. Are you ready? Look at that. Absolutely amazing. I think we have everyone, don't we now? I think we have everyone in that.
Yeah. All our photos of all the people we love.
Yes, everybody that we love that aren't here anymore too.
And my granddad did.
And your granddad is there and so on, yeah. Johnny.
Yeah.
And then all of our essentials stuff in here.
I thought it was a good idea to bring these in the showers because barrels are too big.
Don't pull that out, it's too noisy. But yeah, we have a big bottle in Nivea.
Or like say this is my shampoo. Instead of bringing this in, I'm gonna bring this in.
Yeah,
I'm so
instead
sorry.
of carrying that. Genius. Then in here is just like, I don't want to pull it out because it's creaky. Just all of our essential stuff. And in here is all of our work gear, as you can kind of see it.
All our work stuff.
And our boots.
Ready to
Get dirty. They look too clean for my liking. Then our water bottles.
the graft on.
Well, yeah,
Starting
Monday. We still have a few days to
rest.
rest. Yeah, to rest and eat. Because we're going to be, like everyone says, they lose.
Like a stick.
Yeah, they lose so much weight on the farm, so we have to put on some weight.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we'll lose it, so it's grand. But there's our wall in the background that we're very, very proud of.
Our shrine.
Our shrine, yeah. I'm going to say prayers at that. So yeah, we hope you like the video. And we hope you like our room. We think it's amazing. It just feels like, I don't know, it feels nicer now, doesn't it? Like when we walked in, it was just so bare and we were like, ooh.
It felt like we were in prison.
But now it's just like our room.
And stay tuned for tomorrow when we show you around
The little town/village that we're living in. So yeah, peace.